Hi, Jonathan Wilson here, creator of the Green Team and your solar program facilitator. And I'm excited to share with you a timely government-sponsored program that allows you to get solar installed in your home with little to no out-of-pocket expense. Also, how you can put money back into your pocket every month with this outstanding new program. In part 1 of this 5-minute presentation, we will announce the latest benefits of FHA's new energy efficient mortgage solar program, and in part 2, we will demonstrate what's included in the solar program. But before we get started, I'm proud to introduce our presentation sponsor, Jeff Story. Let me tell you a little bit about Jeff. He has been in the real estate business for over 20 years and has weathered many economic climates. Jeff utilizes these energy programs to help his clients maximize their dollars. If you like what you see in this presentation, contact Jeff directly by phone or email. Let's go ahead and get started. Here's FHA's latest updates and announcements. Before you can benefit from this new government program, it's important to understand why it was created, who it's for, and how it works. The primary reason FHA created this program is to help homebuyers and existing homeowners achieve an energy-efficient home at the time of purchase or refinance. Let's face it, most consumers are cash poor at the time of purchase and can't afford to pay out of pocket for solar. And as you know, electricity rates continue to increase year after year, making monthly utility costs a growing burden on family budgets. In comes FHA's new solar program to provide a solution to reduce your costly utility expenses. Let me show you how it pencils out for the average consumer. For a typical 4 kilowatt solar system, the home loan's add-on payment is $75 per month, while the average production of a 4 kilowatt solar system is over $100 per month in energy savings. Simply put, you get $25 per month back into your pocket immediately and are no longer living at the mercy of utility company rate increases. On top of putting dollars back into your pocket every month, the federal government also provides you a 30% federal tax credit as a reward for owning solar. This is a true dollar-for-dollar credit as opposed to a deduction, which means that the average 4 kilowatt solar system will give you nearly $5,000 in tax credit. Now that you understand why it was created and who it's for, here's how it works. You are allowed to add the cost of installing solar to your home loan with no additional qualifying. This means that according to FHA's guidelines, you may exceed your home loan limit because energy production from solar is now proven cost-effective. Simply put, anyone who already is approved through FHA qualifies for the solar program. Between the monthly savings and federal tax credit, FHA's solar program makes your solar installation a better short-term and long-term investment than ever. Let's do a quick recap before talking about what's included in the solar program. So far, you understand that the government created this program to help homeowners achieve an energy-efficient home. You know FHA's new solar program is for home buyers and owners alike. You know how the typical monthly savings pencils out, and you understand solar federal tax credit. Next, we'll show you what's included in the solar program. When it comes to solar, all technology is not the same. High-efficient rated solar panels and microinverters are a must to guarantee longevity and performance. Every solar system includes lifetime wireless monitoring for your smart device, so you can have on-demand access to your solar system performance. Also, all solar panels and microinverters are made here in the US. As an added bonus, every solar installation comes with Performance Solar 25 certification and medallion, which details all major system components and total system cost. This certification does 2 things for you. 1, it can increase your home's appraised value for future sale, and 2, low electric bills can improve home marketability. After your solar system is installed and your home is certified, you get a 25-year performance guarantee, which means that if any major component, i.e. solar panels or microinverters, have a drop in performance, that your system components are replaced with the latest technology at the time of replacement. This means no out-of-pocket expense for added peace of mind. Finally, the cherry on top is your solar program includes a 36 LED light bulb package, which is equivalent to over $1,000 in energy savings. Let's finish with a final recap, major takeaways, and your first step. Now you understand that the government created this program to help homeowners achieve an energy-efficient home with little to no out-of-pocket expense. You know that FHA's solar program is right for home buyers and owners alike. You know the typical monthly savings and how it pencils out. You understand solar federal tax credits. You know that the solar program includes American-made high-efficient panels, inverters, and monitoring. Performance Solar 25 certification and a 25-year guarantee. I didn't forget the cherry on top, 36 LED light bulb package, and here's the big takeaway. Even if solar wasn't right for you in the past, it's worth checking into again. The first step is to get qualified today. Contact Jeff, and thank you so much for joining our Green Team presentation. We're excited to help you achieve an energy efficient home so you can start saving today.